All right, good evening. It's Tuesday night, August 16th, 2011. It's two of us, Chuck and Tom, and we're at the Tempaku River. Yeah, that's my jogging spot. But in the video, I'm not jogging. I'm petting a dog. And I'm going to ask Tom to take some pictures for me. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to say one line as the dog owner. And this is the line. Is it okay if I get in the picture too? All right, let's go ahead and make the video. Oh, it starts out with me petting the dog. All right, roll. Yeah, you're a good little boy. You're so friendly. Tom, take some pics for me. Yeah.
Okay.
Good boy.
Give me a nice pose. Ready? Here I go.
No. Forget the pose. Just take a bunch of pics with me playing with the dog. Yeah, jump. Yeah, let me see you jump. Yeah, there you go.
All right. What? If you say. Let's see. There's enough space on the memory card for 500 pics.
500? I don't need that many. Just keep shooting until you get tired. Yeah, hey, your hair is so soft. You just had a shampoo and brushing.
I would give some food. But I don't carry dog food in my pocket.
You know, believe it or not, I used to carry beef jerky in my bag. A golden retriever used to live next door, and I give some to him whenever we met accidentally during one of his walks.
Oh man, you are so kind.
Female dog owner. Is it okay if I get in the picture too?
Sure. I'd be more than happy to take your picture.
All right, great job. Cut.